Hello, welcome to my channel Learn It Do It. Today I'm going to show you this dress. This is 3 pleats, separate skirt and upper part, flounce skirt and designer sleeve. So let's start now. This is how you look this dress. 3 pleats and bow here, designer sleeve, skirt and flounce. How you look backside. We started with sleeve. You draw your basic sleeve, mark from middle point each side 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and draw this centimeter, connect with this middle line like a dart. Okay, you check how long is this, mark middle of this line. 44, half of it 27, also 27. From this middle point mark 1 centimeter inside, also this side 1 centimeter inside. From this end point you mark 3 centimeters out, also 3 centimeters out. And from this point you mark 18 centimeters up. And make a line. Okay. From this line, from here to here, you mark middle of this line. I got 18, half of it 9. Also this side 9. From this middle line you make 3 centimeters out, also here. Okay, now from this point, on this point connect. Also this side. From this line make also half 9. Also mark each side 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 and 3. Okay, now join this like this. Now from this end point you mark inside 4 centimeters. From this center point you mark 4 centimeters inside, also here 4 centimeters, from here inside 4 centimeters. 1, 2, 3, 4. This each mark I marked just now, you mark 8 centimeter up, line a draw a line, sorry. Okay, each these lines you mark quarter centimeter each side. and connect with this line, okay, like a dart. Have a look. This is my front sleeve, this is my back. Now take a piece of paper, you trace this black line, this is your back. Also do not forget to trace these darts, 2 darts. Okay, piece of paper, you trace this piece. So I already done. Okay, do not forget to mark this center line. Okay, this is your back. I'm going to cut front. Front is green line. And with darts. Okay. This is my 2 pieces, front and back. You fold first from this small dart. Take a piece of paper. We need facing for this sleeve. Watch, this is center line. Okay, you need facing, your facing wide 4 centimeters, and you draw this line, not this. Okay, hold it. How you look your sleeve. Okay, you see all darts, also this side. Sew and make facing and turn it. This is your sleeve. How to make body part? You make 3 inches wide each side, also 3 inches down. Make nice sleeve. Now you mark half of this neckline, you mark 8 centimeters, draw a line and connect with this dart. Okay. Also, you draw 3 lines. One goes to armhole, the others goes to dart point. Okay. 1 and 2. Cut my nail. And take this part to cut with these lines. Close these 2 darts first. You must give sewing allowance, okay? So I cut a piece of fabric like this. This is for bow. I need 2 pieces from here. Before you join with the other piece, one part you join with neckline. You sew until here. First you sew from all around here and turn it. Okay. You join these 2 together, and this is for both. Okay. How you make front. You take your skirt piece, make from bottom 13 centimeters up, draw a line. From this line you make 3 centimeters inside and connect with your hip line. And cut with this line with sewing allowance. How you want your flare. If you want more flare, you can you leave more volume. If you want slightly, just little bit flounce, then you spread like this, each 3 centimeters. You leave 3 centimeters each, okay? Cut more. Okay. 3 centimeters. Now cut. Don't forget sewing allowance. You can use same for back side, just small different. You have to cut 2 centimeters more for zipper. Front you cut on fold. How you look skirt. And back side, only one thing you have to change, 3 centimeters here, 3 centimeters here, new neckline. How you look all parts. And sleeve. That's it for today. I hope you enjoy with my tutorials. And if you are satisfied, please subscribe to my channel, Learn It, Do It. Until next time, stay happy and safe. Thank you for watching. I'm Sandhya.